Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming where space is gone. Open Outlook or Outlook Web and view mailbox usage to see percent used and total quota. Once you see the biggest folders, sort messages by size and immediately delete the largest attachments or conversations. Make sure to empty deleted items and junk afterward so space frees. Once done, pause to confirm the used percentage drops. This immediate cleanup prevents accidental data loss and gives breathing room for the deeper steps. Next, you reduce mailbox weight. Save large attachments to OneDrive or a local folder, then remove them from the original emails. This keeps content but sheds bytes. Afterward, export older, infrequently accessed mail to a PSD archive and delete those server copies so your mailbox stays lean. Make sure to run Outlook's mailbox cleanup and compact functions. They reclaim space inside PSD/OSD files. Also adjust Auto Archive to move items automatically, because automation prevents recurrence. Finish by confirming the cleanup. Check mailbox usage again in Account Settings and restart Outlook so local caches refresh and server quotas update. If you still need more space, ask your Exchange or Office 365 admin for a quota increase or enable online archive. Make sure retention policies aren't auto-restoring deleted mail. Troubleshooting tip: if storage doesn't reflect your deletions, clear the Outlook cache, force a resync, and wait 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes server-side updates are delayed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.